My name is Richard Heyer. I'm the author of the Neuroscience of Intelligence. The title of this book may seem a little dry to you, possibly even a little intimidating. If you're a student who's been assigned this book by a professor, I think you're going to enjoy it more than you think. This book will tell you really an exciting story about recent neuroscience discoveries about the brain and how the brain creates intelligence. As you know, people differ on intelligence. Why they differ is somewhat controversial, but the brain has a lot to do with it. This book is going to tell you about the genetic aspect of intelligence. The genetics of intelligence is a controversial subject, but the data are really quite clear. Genes are very important for intelligence. This is actually good news, because in the 21st century, we understand that genes are not deterministic as much as they are probabilistic. This means that once we understand how genes influence the brain and how genes influence intelligence, we should be able to tweak the underlying neurobiological mechanisms and possibly raise intelligence dramatically for everybody. This, of course, will be of great interest not only to students, but also to parents about their children, and for anybody who's interested in how intelligence influences everyday life. This is quite an important topic. The mysteries that we're going to explore in this book, I think, will really be quite interesting to you, because there's so much new data about the brain, particularly from genetics and from neuroimaging. And I will guarantee you that my explanations of these developments in the book are made without jargon. They presuppose no special background in psychology or neuroscience, and I think you'll really enjoy reading about them. So I invite you to take a look at this book. If you are a student or a parent or an educator and are interested in the topic of human intelligence, I think you're going to find this book will explain things that you didn't know before about the brain and about intelligence. And I hope very much that you enjoy it.